How to make A4 layout on Microsoft PowerPoint. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. This is the first page or interface of Microsoft PowerPoint. From here, new slide. Now I take blank. This is presentation layout. Now I will change it into A4 size layout. Click Design. Slide size. Custom slide size. Here is present wide screen. Click here and A4 paper. Change this option. And OK. Ensure fit. This is the A4 size layout. Here, right click, new slide, right click, new slide. All slide is A4 size. Back to presentation layout, design, slide size, custom slide size, arrow button and white screen. Select this icon, landscape, and OK. And finally ensure it. This is white screen.